Do you know how you can earn easy PayPal money daily? You don't have to do anything except review some websites, and you can get paid up to hundreds of dollars for just doing this. Seems impossible, doesn't it? Well, with the trick I'm going to show you today, it is very likely possible. It is a very quick and easy way to make very large sums of money daily. No initial investment is needed, and only a computer or a phone with an internet connection is more than enough for the implementation of this method. So, if you're interested in learning more about this mysterious way of making PayPal money, don't close or skip this video, as you might miss some very important information I'm going to give you in this video. Without this information, you will not be able to earn anything. And before we begin, please subscribe to the channel as it will help us grow our channel and enable us to produce more videos like this, which will help you earn from home. As I have already told you, the money we will be using today's website will be transferred to your PayPal. It means that you only require a PayPal account in order for this method to work. Most of the population already has PayPal and knows how to use it. If you're not one of them, it is not at all a problem. Getting a PayPal account is easier than you might think. You can type PayPal in your search bar and you will be taken to the website where you can see the countries PayPal works in. It covers most of the world except only a few countries. You can sign up there for a free account, which would not take much time. Also, it supports more than 25 currencies, so you can always get your payments in your local currency if you wish. Once you get the PayPal account, let's move on to the earning portion of this video. You have to first go to the site called Validately. Simply type this in your search bar and click the first link that appears. Do not use any other browser except Google. This is important, and you will know why later. Once you get to the homepage of this website, you can see that it is a very much legit company under the brand user Zoom. They have worked with giants like Google and Amazon. You can register here as a tester by creating a free account. Now, here comes the most important part of the whole video. It is not a simple signing up like you would do on other websites. This process is a little bit complex in the sense that for signing up, you would have to answer 16 questions. But don't worry, they will not ask you about mathematical formulas. These are all very general questions that I hope you can answer easily. But still, I'm gonna walk you through the process so that you don't face any difficulty later. To avoid making this video an hour long, I will fly through all the easy questions and explain the difficult ones in detail. So let's begin answering. The starting question is about the mobile device you own, and the second is about the computer you're using. You can choose whatever you are using for both of these questions. The next question is about the version of Windows you're using. Again, select whichever version you are using. The fourth and fifth questions are about your gender and year of birth. You would know about this better than I do, so I would leave it up to you. Now comes the sixth question. It is about your level of education. Now, you might want to answer whatever your level truly is. But wait, I have a bonus tip for you. Among the 4 available options, I would suggest you pick a college graduate. This would mean that you are an educated adult, and this will guarantee higher earning compared to all the other choices. For question 7, you get 6 options to choose from, considering your employment status. Regardless of what you choose, it won't have a significant impact on your income. As you might have already selected a college graduate for the 6th question, the 8th question now demands the industry you work in. If you want the highest income possible, select something related to computers. Computers are the future, and picking something like IT or software engineering as the answer to this question can substantially increase your chances of earning more money. For the 9th and 10th questions, you're gonna select your job title and yearly income. The 11th, 12th, and 13th questions ask your name, email, and PayPal email respectively. Be very careful when writing your PayPal email, as this is where your money would be sent. Any error here can cause you to lose the money you're gonna earn in the future. Next up is the password you wanna set for your account, the time zone you live in, and at the end is the terms of agreement, where you just have to click on yes, I agree, and you are done with creating your account. Now, how to use this account is what we're gonna cover next. Once you have confirmed your email address, you will see an option to take a screener test. This is important to take before you can start making any money. This test will actually teach you what kind of work is required for you. You have to install the Validately extension for this test. Once you have activated this extension for Chrome, the test can begin. It is not very difficult. I'm gonna show you how will this test possibly look like. The websites can change, but the work will be more or less similar. They would give you a product you have to search for and some other pages you would have to find within the given website. With every step, you would have to take a screenshot. For example, the pages you are required to search for are the homepage and the health and beauty page of eBay. The desired product is a Dell XPS laptop. First, you would have to search for the website ebay.com. The second step is going on the homepage. Then on the third, you would have to click on the health and beauty option shown at the top of the website. And lastly, you just type in the product and open the first result you see. You just now have to submit the screenshots you took and your screening test will be passed. Once this is done, you can start reviewing other websites and make easy money from them. The money will be sent to your PayPal and you can easily use it or withdraw it from there. Hope you understand this method and can do it yourself now. This brings us to the end of this video. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. Also, tell us your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time!